Hello, and welcome to the Z Hut. I'm Jay, and today we're going to take a look at the BM-800 condenser microphone. Now, I went and got the kit, and if you get one of these, I recommend getting the kit that comes with the phantom power supply. If you can't find a kit that comes with the phantom power supply, you are going to want to order one separately. If you look in the description below, you'll find a link. It'll bring you to my website, and on that page there, I'll have pictures, lots of pictures of this, way better than the ones you'll find on Amazon, and a link to this on Amazon because that's where I got this. Now, you can find it as well on eBay and other sites. There's a lot of different companies that'll make this and slap their name on it. They're all built the same. They're from China. Lots of these places in China do that. It's the same microphone. This was, I believe, Best Care, if I remember right, was the company that made this one. They're all made with the same parts and from China. They just slap a different name on them. It's the same microphone, so whichever one you're looking at, this is what you get. And I am recording this audio right now. And yes, that's the microphone right here out of the box. I'm recording it on Audacity because that is very popular and very powerful audio program that is free, 100% free. So that's right now you're hearing this. This is unedited. I did not do any noise removal or normalize it, nothing. But now noise removal has been done. And for the rest of the video, the little bit of editing I normally do. And this is what it sounds like if after you go ahead and run your filters. So, this kit, it was $43.99. Very, very good price. The microphone, it's made out of metal, which is nice. If you drop it and it's cold, it's not good to drop it anyway, but it's not going to shatter. Now, this came with a pop filter as well, but for how I'm setting this up to use it, I set it up this way so that I can have it just below me so I can still see the computer screen while I'm recording. Some people will flip it upside down and use it the other way, but it came with a pop filter. I put that back in the box. I tried it, and it just kind of got in the way. But these, the windscreen phone cover, whatever you want to call it, they do a pretty good job as a pop filter as well. Some people swear that they're just as good. This was actually the first pop filter that's in the box I ever had. So I don't know if it's any better or not. But I just went ahead and put the foam cover on there and are good to go. Now, the phantom power supply is down here. And the reason you want to get that, as you can see, I'm not right on top of the microphone. It's at least a foot away from me, at least, if not a little more. If I did not have that, and I only got the microphone and recording volume set at 50% in Audacity, without that, at this distance, I would have that turned all the way up, and I probably still would have to move in closer to the microphone if I want it to sound decent. So the lower you can have the recording volume, the better. So I would suggest getting the kit with the phantom power supply. If you can't find a kit, you know, maybe you're going to order this on eBay because you got a gift card for eBay. Just find, they sell them separately, and they're not all that expensive. Just get one, trust me. But yeah, this is awesome microphone. And from now on, any of my subscribers watching this is what we are going to be using to record all the audio, except when I'm doing stuff outside, where I have to have the lavalier mic on me, and this is not an option. But otherwise, this is what we're going to be using from now on. So, all right, for the price, the build quality, I mean, the microphone, it's all metal. It comes with all the cables, the scissor stand. It's adjustable. I mean, the scissor stand could have been a little beefier, but still not bad for the price. I'm going to give this thing, 9 out of 10. I did have a little problem. I did have to actually fix the microphone cable here. Most people, they would have just sent the thing back, but I was noticing, I wasn't getting any audio at first, and I was grabbing the connectors, thinking maybe it wasn't plugged all the way in, and found out, playing with it, it was loose. Opened it up, and whoever manufactured that cable that day in China forgot to solder one of the wires on. So, if you're a subscriber to my channel, I do electronics. I just went ahead and soldered it. Ain't even going to bother Amazon over it. Took me 2 minutes to fix, so the build quality's not bad. They could have peeked and tweaked a few little things, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a 9.0 price. The quality is not that bad, and it is nice. And there's the microphone here to see a little difference. That's about 2, maybe a little more than 2 feet away, and if I didn't have the phantom power supply, you would barely hear me right now. I know the audio levels dropped, and I'm talking normally. I mean, I could speak up and yell at the thing. If that's what you want to do, don't get the phantom power supply. All right. Thanks for joining today at Z-Hut.